Hello all. Now we will learn together how we can draw any character on Adobe program with easy. Adobe Illustrator program. First, my name is Amr Muhammad Yap, and this is my channel. I hope for you support me by subscription and sharing this video to teach others. Now that you have uploaded the image that we will draw, I used the pen tool, which is a basic drawing tool that we will use frequently, where I draw the hair first so we can separate it later. The most important thing is to finish the starting point at the end. Okay, and then we give it the color we want. I am now fixing some points in the drawing. It is a good feature in digital painting. We are adding some poetry here too. I combine the parts of the hair in one layer. I have a black frame to the hair to stand out. I think brown is suitable. Yes, okay. And now I paint the eyebrow in the same color and in the same way. And the eye I define, and then I draw the details and give color. We must not forget the more details give you more beauty. Okay. And now I paint the eyebrow in the same color and in the same way. And the eye I define, and then I draw the details and give color. We must not forget the more details give you more beauty. Now we don't have to redraw the left eye. We are in front of digital drawing. We can only take a copy. We draw the nose impact. We want some details are also good. Now we will draw the contour of the face like this and connect it like this, and choose the appropriate color. Then after we have drawn the frame of the face, we hide it in order to draw other details such as the lips and mouth. So, okay, and we also choose the right color. Then we go to draw the details of the shadows.